Hey everybody, it's Rob LaHayne, I'm CEO of TouchCare. I'm sitting here today with Brett Davis, the Vice President of Sales at Bennie Health. Brett, why don't you go ahead and tell us a little bit about Bennie Health and what you guys do?
Yeah, thanks for having me, Rob. Bennie Health is a full-service broker and consulting firm for both employee benefits and technology. So we're focused on both the benefits side as well as the technologies that are associated with it.
Cool, and tell me a little bit about what differentiates Bennie Health in the market and where your focus is.
Part of our focus is really putting the employee first. So we've realized that the insurance landscape is very complicated, not just on the medical insurance side, but also on the ancillary side of that world, both from an insurance and technology standpoint. We want to bring that world together to make it easy as the end user.
Great. So you guys are really focused then on the member experience versus just on the high level and business consulting aspects of being the broker. Why is that so important in today's healthcare environment?
Well, really, the end user is the person who is using the insurance, right? They're the person who this is really all built for. And what we found is that it's all a very convoluted process to actually go and use your benefits, figure out where they sit in the employee landscape. So you might have 10 different apps or websites. We want to try to bring that together, and I think that fits right into what you guys do as well.
Yeah, well, you mentioned that. Obviously, it's a topic that's near and dear to our hearts, right? Is making sure that the member experience is dramatically improved as it relates to both the cost and just the general navigation of the healthcare system itself. We've really enjoyed getting to know and working with your team over at Bennie Health. How has TouchCare played a role in accomplishing your goal of improving member experience?
Yeah, so member experience to me is making something that's complicated easier, right? So with the insurance world, with all of those complications, TouchCare has really taken the complicated piece that an employee might experience when they need to go, not your normal physician visit, but you need an MRI and a knee surgery. They take this complex world of healthcare, bring it down to a level that makes sense to an employee, and really handhold that whole experience for them.
Yeah. Well, that's great. Well, appreciate you coming on and chatting with us a little bit today. And
thanks for having me.